Hello, in this video we'll show you how to adjust the handbrake on a Mazda 5. The handbrake should start to work on the third or fourth click, and if in your car it starts working on 6-7 click, that means your handbrake needs to be tightened. In order to adjust the handbrake, you need to remove the plastic just in the center console that's just there, and then you need a 10mm socket so that you can adjust the bolt on the handbrake. That's the bolt right there with the yellow on it. Now we start tightening until the handbrake starts to work in 3 or 4 clicks. Every time you tighten a little bit, you should go and check out the handbrake if it's tight enough or it needs more. That's it for me for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.